Hi, I'm Baran Çataloğlu and this is my EEE-102 project. So my project is a Rubik's Cube solver, where this Rubik's Cube's all 6 faces are scanned with this camera. And then I use Python to solve the cube. I use this OV7660 camera and connected it to Basis 3 with jumpers. And I'm also using VGA to see which points I'm scanning. So the way this works is I put the first face here, and then I use a button to send the data with OART serial communication. So I press this button once, and then I flip it over.
Yiğit gösterdin mi? Henüz değil mi?
And then I press it again, and again I flip it over.
Bunu ben saldım. Benimki mail atmış.
Press it again.
Bunu ciddi anlamda saldım. I hope you are doing a good final.
And like this I scan all faces.
Aynen. Hocam uyumuyorum hocam.
Okay, after it's done, this gives me the algorithm to solve the cube. So you have to find the face where you started. I'm following the solution steps. It says right, so I turn this clockwise. It says left. Up to means 180 degrees. Down. This is the solution for the cube. Thanks for listening.